Looking for a high-quality fish oil that works harder for your health? Meet Nature's Lab Triple Strength Fish Oil, delivering premium levels of EPA and DHA to support your heart, brain, or just aiming for a more vibrant daily routine. Nature's Lab Triple Fish Oil makes it easy to stay on track without the fishy aftertaste. Nature's Lab, science-backed supplements for real-life vitality and overall wellness. With 3 times the omega-3 power of conventional fish oils, each softgel is packed with EPA and DHA, essential fatty acids known to promote cardiovascular health, support a healthy mood, and maintain your body's omega-3 balance. You'll also get benefits for brain function, joint flexibility, immune support, and even skin health, all from just fewer capsules per day thanks to its triple-strength formulation. Manufactured with love in Nevada, each batch is produced in a cGMP certified facility using only the purest ingredients. And because Nature's Lab believes in transparency, every product is lab tested for quality, consistency, and potency. Whether you're supporting circulation, cognitive health,